Assalamualaikum. This is Sadali Sayyed, Network and Visual Administrator, Magnetic Magnetic Ink Card Reader in 60 seconds by Sadali Sayyed, Network and Visual Administrator. Magnetic ink card reader, also known as magnetic ink character recognition. So it is a basically type of reader. Okay, this is basically a primary tool. Okay, used for what? Checking, sorting, processing, and validation. When scanning a document such as a check, MICR readers magnetize the ink and detect the MICR characters. The reader head of the device reads the characters. The magnetic ink character recognition line enables a computer to rapidly read and record numbers or other information from printed documents such as person check. In this case, that information is a check number, routing number, and account number.